What to do when a narcissist turns people against you. Have you experienced the devastating effects of a narcissist turning people against you? In this empowering video, we provide you with strategies to navigate the treacherous waters of a narcissist smear campaign. Join us as we uncover the truth and share actionable steps to reclaim your narrative, rebuild relationships, and protect your well-being. Before deep diving into the video, please subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful. So, without wasting your time, let's begin. 1. Understanding the narcissist's motives. The first step in dealing with a narcissist smear campaign is to understand their motives. Narcissists engage in these campaigns to maintain control, preserve their false image, and manipulate others for their gain. Recognizing their tactics will help you detach emotionally and approach the situation with clarity. 2. Maintain your composure and self-confidence. When a narcissist turns people against you, it's essential to remain composed and maintain your self-confidence. Keep in mind that their smear campaign is a reflection of their insecurities and need for control. Projecting strength and self-assurance can counteract their attempts to undermine your credibility. 3. Seek support from trusted allies. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals who understand the dynamics of narcissistic abuse. Surrounding yourself with a support system will provide validation, perspective, and emotional strength during this challenging time. Trusted allies can help you stay grounded and remind you of your worth. 4. Document evidence and maintain a record. Gather evidence and document instances of the narcissist's manipulative behavior. This can include screenshots of conversations, emails, or any tangible evidence that supports your side of the story. Keeping a detailed record will not only serve as a reminder of the truth but can also be used if legal action becomes necessary. 5. Reframe the narrative. Share your side of the story. Reclaim your narrative by sharing your side of the story. Consider utilizing platforms such as social media, personal blogs, or even face-to-face conversations to express your truth. Be factual, focus on your experience, and avoid engaging in a mudslinging match. By presenting your perspective, you take back control of the narrative. 6. Cultivate genuine connections. While some individuals may fall victim to the narcissist's manipulations, others will recognize the truth and stand by your side. Focus on building and nurturing genuine connections with those who support you. Surrounding yourself with empathetic and understanding individuals will help counteract the negative effects of the smear campaign. 7. Prioritize self-care and well-being. Dealing with a narcissist smear campaign can be emotionally draining. Prioritize self-care activities that promote healing and well-being. Engage in practices such as therapy, meditation, exercise, and creative outlets to process your emotions, build resilience, and maintain your mental and emotional health. Conclusion. Surviving a narcissist smear campaign requires strength, resilience, and a commitment to reclaiming your truth. By understanding their motives, maintaining composure, seeking support, documenting evidence, reframing the narrative, cultivating genuine connections, and prioritizing self-care, you can rise above their manipulations. Remember, you are not alone, and with the right strategies, you can protect your well-being, rebuild relationships, and emerge stronger than ever before. As you embark on this journey of reclaiming your truth, share this video to spread awareness and empower others who may be facing similar challenges. Together, we can expose the tactics of narcissists, support one another, and create a community of resilience and healing. Thank you for watching.